Let me show it to you how to change security group in an AWS EC2. I am here in AWS EC2 Instances screen. Let me select an instance. Let me come to the security tab, and here I can see this security group is associated with this EC2. The inbound rule is specified to allow port 22, that is SSH, from anywhere. Now if I click on connect, and if I click on connect with EC2 Instance Connect, that is a browser based session, and I'll be able to connect to the EC2. Now let me go back, and now if I click on actions, security, change security group, let me remove the existing security group, and if I click on save, it will give me an error to add at least one security group. Let me select a security group, add it and save it. Cancel it, and let me go to the security tab one second, and let me see there is no inbound rules. That means if I try to connect over SSH, I won't be able to connect. Let me click on connect via EC2 Instance Connect, and here is the error. Now let me close this. Let me go back to the security, and let me click on that security group and add an inbound rule. Edit inbound rule, add rule. Let me select SSH. Now this is port 22, the source. Select the source carefully. For this demo I am selecting anywhere, but for your case consult with your security team. Now save rules, and let me go back to the instances. Now here if I come down to the now let me refresh it, and now if I come to, let me go back to this, let me come back to the security, and you see that SSH is showing over here. Now if I click on connect, let me connect it, and I could be able to connect.